Hi folks, welcome back to my channel. This is Aryan Rajesh here. Different type of intro I am giving because I am in this off-road section. Right from the place I live, there is the small patch of off-road which is doable. I'm in Gokarna, by the way, exploring Gokarna. I reached there yesterday evening. I didn't vlog and all because I had come for a marriage. Yes, that is why I didn't vlog. So now we have whole day to explore Gokarna and let's hit it. I'm headed to main city now. Bike needs some fuel. I need some fuel. I'll have some breakfast and we'll see what Gokarna has to offer for us today. This right side goes to Om Beach. This is the first time I'm coming here with bike. Oh man, look at this view here. Superb. There is some water sports and all. This is Kudle Beach, by the way. I'm staying by Kudle Beach. It is 200 meters walk from my stay to Kudle Beach. So all these are shacks and different homestays. Okay, I put the maps to the town. It says 5 kilometers here, but I'm taking one small route. My top box is empty. It's making super noise. So in Gokarna, if you are visiting, you have two temples which are main temple. Mahabaleshwar and Ganapati's, there is one temple. It has some history also. People don't honk here, so I have to be a bit careful. I just looked for a second that side and this jeep guy is coming. Yeah. So there are two temples. Apart from that, you have a couple of beach viewpoints and some treks. Sunset, there are many sunset viewpoints. Of course, it's a beach coastal side, so beach is the main attraction. We have some water sports. You can do some activities. Oh, if you go to Om Beach, they'll take you to this boat ride and all, which is I think 100 rupees per head, I guess. Last time I had been here when I came in that boat ride. He'll take you to this Paradise Beach. Some other beaches there. First I need to find breakfast, man. I'm starving as well. Bike has ridden 587 till now from my home. I came to Shivamogga. From there I finished the marriage wedding of my friends. From there yesterday afternoon I started and I came to Gokarna by 6 o'clock. Okay, it is showing this way. I don't know if it's safe or not, but we'll go straight. This has all this Goa vibes feel. You can rent out scooters here, roam around. So this Om Beach and Kudle Beach are two different sections here. Comes on the same line, but Om Beach comes a bit before, Kudle Beach after. So Om Beach is known for its pattern in the beach. So it looks like Om. So if you see from the top, that is why the name. And there is Kudle Beach. Kudle Beach is chilled out place. There won't be much of visitors to Kudle Beach except the people staying there who come there, chill in shack, see the sunset and all. Om Beach is more of a tourist place. Oh, chill down. This is Gokarna. Yesterday when I reached Gokarna, I was searching for cash because here you have network issues. So cards and Google Pay might not work sometimes. So I came down till here. There is a ATM and I picked up the cash. I didn't go further yesterday. Now we'll see. Narrow roads. My top box is drawing all the attention from the locals. It is rattling like hell. Just finished my breakfast. A typical idli or a dosa. This part we can go for the main beach, Gokarna beach, which is this way. While having breakfast I was saying what all place we can explore. This is the main Gokarna beach street. You get all this handicrafts, clothes. The place where I had breakfast was Pai restaurant. I'm now used to all this public reactions. When they see a guy with this big bike with camera, helmet, no one wears a helmet here. So you're an odd man out. They say like, who is this guy who is wearing helmet? He has a camera, or they don't have clarity on what is that unless they ask. Okay, we have to park the vehicles here and then head out to the beach, I guess, which I'm not very much interested, because if we leave the vehicle here, gone case. I've been doing rounds here itself. We are in gully of Gokarna. Sir, ಶಿವಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ? Okay, thanks. This is the main temple road, I guess. There is one temple. It's a tight squeeze. ಈ ಶಿವಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ ಹಂಗೆ? ಶಿವ ಕೇವ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ? ಈ ಕಡೆನಾ? ಶಿವ ಕೇವ್. ಶಿವ ಕೇವ್ ಗುಹೆ ಅಂತ ಯಾವುದೋ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ ಮೇಲೆ. ಹಾಂ, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗೆ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಂ, ಗಾಡಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಅದೇನು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಗಲ್ಲೀಸ್ ನಾವು. ಚಲೋ. ಅಡ್ಡಿಪೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೈಸ್ ಯಾರ್. Oh, awesome. The guy at the restaurant where I was having my breakfast, he said Shiva Caves. It's like, okay. There is just a small cave. He said it's not worth the visit also, but I wanted to get on the top so that we'll have some good views. I can already see the beach here. Zostel is here. This is Zostel. I don't know how cars can come up here. I couldn't find Shiva Caves. Map showed you reached, but there was nothing. I think it should have been inside somewhere. I think we had to trek. I was like, okay, let's drop that plan. Now I'm headed to Om Beach. You see all this off-roading, right? This is a shortcut. I'm getting down to Om Beach. You have to get down the steps. Literally no one is wearing mask. More of a crowded beach actually. Climbing the steps to get a good beach point view. It is not super hot. It is okay. Mild sun. I think this is the top which we can reach. See the view from here. I thought it will be crowded since today is a Saturday, but it is empty. Maybe by evening we'll have people coming in. There is a restaurant there, Namaste Cafe.
I get a little bit breathless. My thoughts are too big. Can I get some comfort, please? I guess I should have been honest. A break to my heart. It's weighing me down, baby. I'm like a river that's overflowed. The sooner you know it, the less do we hurt. Let me speak the truth. I know you don't want face it. You think it's too late, but I can see past the rain.